FAUNABELLE Tarot is a beautifully illustrated deck for children. It features a cast of animals loaded with traditional symbolism. It's been lovingly created by a tarot reader and a children's illustrator. We wanted to create a deck that children could relate to. Kids love tarot, but they don't have a deck that speaks directly to them. FAUNABELLE uses examples that come from a child's perspective. Even though we've created a deck for children, readers of all ages will love this deck. It's perfect for beginners and those who want to reconnect with the core meanings of the cards. Our favorite part of creating this deck was matching the major arcana to animal ambassadors. We researched the symbolism of each animal to find just the right match. Our goal with this deck is to spread kindness and compassion. If you're looking for an uplifting, sweet, and friendly deck, you'll find it in FAUNABELLE.